Okay, I'm in this Macau, kind of near these casinos. There's Wynn Casino, MGM Casino. That goes the bridge to Taipa. And you have this beautiful walkway. Then over here, there's some other casinos that are Grand Lisboa. They're really hard to get to, but I'm going to show you this underground path and exactly how you do it. So let's come back and I'll show you. It's going to involve this right there. I might even take you on a little tour of that as well, in front of the Wynn. Okay, stay tuned. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are on our beautiful, beautiful. What do you call this? There's a this used to be ocean, and then they reclaimed all this. All this is reclaimed land. Everything that we're on was built for casinos and tourism, so that's all reclaimed land as well. And then on the other side of that is the traditional island of Macau, or peninsula of Macau, where all the residential and all the cool architecture and everybody lives and all the stores. So this is all kind of a commercial district, casino district, and we're going to try to get over there. And as you can see, there's no way. We have all these bushes here. There's no way to get from here to there by walking. There is like a big roundabout way, but there's no crosswalk over here. There's no crosswalk over here. There's no way to get from here to there. We have to go underground. It's the only way. So that's what we're gonna do now. And we'll just kind of show you the way. And that's a bridge to Cotai. You can actually walk that. You can, to Taipa. You can walk over. Way in the distance, you can see some casinos. There's Galaxy Casino, El Tira Hotel, and then that's where all the Cotai Strip casinos are at. The ones in the Taipa side, Cotai side. And then this one is a little strip of pretty nice casinos, which include Wynn and MGM. So we're just gonna walk around here a little bit, and then we're gonna go underground and show you how this side with the nice casinos connects over to that side, which is these casinos are nice too. And there's kind of a strip of old casinos back behind it. So we're gonna show you how they connect. And yeah, you have to go underground to be able to go between them. So here's the Wynn Casino. Then this right here is the only way to go underneath. So it says Hotel Lisboa. That's Hotel Lisboa. And that's where everybody's coming in and out right there. And we're gonna walk that in a minute. But I just want to show you how it's not connected. But sometimes I'll see tourists, they don't really know, and they'll try to run across here, and then they'll try to run across there, and then it's blocked because that goes, and then and there's big gates over that way, so they can't run across that either. So it's kind of a nightmare for pedestrians who don't really know that they have to go underground. Yeah, it's kind of the way it's built is kind of it's good for vehicles and traffic generally. I mean, you can get through it pretty quickly and easily. So we're gonna get onto that side in a minute. Before we do, we'll just show you a little bit of what people do over here. They'll walk down this big pathway. And what we're gonna do is show you this fountain real quick. And you can also sit and watch the shows over here. So I think it's every 30 minutes or something like that. There's a show here, like a water show. It's about 10 o'clock at night right now, so I don't know. Usually it's every 15 minutes, I think. Got some beautiful music. That usually kills my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get out before that kills it, so I'm gonna speak loudly and try to cover it up. But yeah, that's always copyrighted music. And then we're gonna go up this way. There's Macau Tower over there, straight ahead. And then this space right here is a great space to just sit and watch the shows. So a lot of people will stand around it, of course, but this is a viewing area. It's just set up all for the shows. Let's walk up a little bit. You can see the Macau Tower in the background right there. That's where we're just at, over there. And we have a view of the waterfront and all that walkway that you can do as well. And let's keep on going. So that's the Wynn right there. And this is where people can watch the shows. I think we waited long enough we could catch a show, but the music will affect my video, my YouTube, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, this got a beautiful Wynn. Sometimes they set up different exhibitions or art things or events and different things, usually to bring in more tourists. But yeah, Wynn has I think they own this, but there's Wynn, and then there's also MGM. So a lot of times when they have some kind of exhibit kind of thing, they'll use both spaces. But yeah, it's really beautiful, nice place to walk, amazing views of the bridge and just all the neon lights as well. But you got all these lighting things as well. I got to be careful not to go too fast, but that's the beauty of this area. Oh, that's interesting. This right here is they have that up, sometimes construction, but I think I don't know. Let's keep going. Macau Tower right there in the red, and it'll change colors. I think it goes until about 11 o'clock at night or 12 o'clock at night. And we're going to be heading directly over that way, and we're going to be using this underpass to do it. It's the only way to get between the two in this area. There's some other ways to get across over that way, but you have to walk maybe 10 minutes that way, and then there's another way to get across. But in this particular spot, this is the only way. And it says Hotel Lisboa, which is probably confusing for people. Maybe in Chinese it's more clear, but in English I would think I'm going to go into the lobby of a hotel or something like that. So we're going to go under. A lot of times you'll see musicians right here, but I don't see any today. But it is kind of late. It's like a Tuesday night, and it's about 10:30 at night, I think. Okay. But yeah, this is the only way to go across, so you'll always see people in this area. It's also connected to a parking lot as well, so we'll walk by the parking lot. I think this lady right here is going into the parking lot, so yeah. And right now we're going underneath the streets, and then we're going to come out on the other side on Lisboa, and then we'll be able to see how it connects. So this is the most common way to walk across between these two sets of casinos. So over there's parking, like you can see parking down there. You might be able to navigate that to some other places as well, but this one that we're on is where most people are walking, so this is the most common paths. So we're gonna follow this up to Casino Lisboa and Grand Lisboa. Got lots of security cameras around. And then we're gonna come up over here, and then up on this side we'll be kind of in the center of this kind of bus depot and casino area. It's really well lit up at night. It looks beautiful. Oh, let's see. We're gonna head on up that way. So yeah, nice little tour tonight, eh? Yeah, because of the time of night, it feels kind of quiet right now. But actually this one, it's usually not that busy here because not that many people are walking that way. The bulk of the city is in the other direction, so a lot more people are trying to get over there if you live here. But for tourism, you know, of course they might be coming to, you know, Grand Lisboa, Hotel Lisboa right here, and Lisboa Casino, of course. And then this is where we're at before, so that's the Star World Casino. A little strip of older casinos are down that way. Wynn Casino. Here's somebody walking across the wrong way, right? So yeah, if you walk across the wrong way like this, so he has to walk kind of dangerously like that, and then he's probably going to try to run across in a second. So you can see him like right there. Let's see how he does that. Probably looks like he's just going to stay on that little narrow sidewalk on the. That's kind of interesting. Anyways, there's the Wynn. Looks like this guy's going to try to go across too. A woman. So sometimes they'll try to run across, right? So it looks like that's what she's doing. If she doesn't try to catch a taxi, she's going to try to run it. So we did another video of that one. Oh yeah, she is. Oh man, that's so dangerous. So she get across, she's going real slow. That's definitely a mainland Chinese woman. I mean, the locals would know to take that. But the ones that don't know, they'll follow it, and they're trying to get over there, right? But there's no way to do it. You have to go underneath right there. But a lot of times they don't really see it. Maybe the lighting, maybe the signage isn't really very clear. But I noticed with mainlanders, they don't really follow the signs anyways. They usually just go directly to where they want to go. So she's going to try to do that. It's late enough at night. I guess it's fine. But if you want to do it properly, you go underground. There's a beautiful Grand Lisboa. And all that. Let's see how she does. Okay, there she is. She's still walking down the street way down there. I don't know if you can see her, but she's kind of in the middle of the street, walking really slow. And she got to the other side. Okay, so yeah, there's no crosswalk. That's not the way to do it. But I guess there's not enough vehicles to really do it legally, I guess. I can get a pretty big fine for that. I think it's like $100 or something like that, 800 mop or something. Okay, so I guess what we're gonna do is walk into this area, and then we're going to kind of walk through this whole. We'll just kind of show you the bus depot too. It's pretty quiet at nighttime. The buses usually stop running about 12 o'clock. I think between 11:30 and 12, so I think it's maybe close to 11 o'clock right now. So there we go. So we basically just went under that tunnel, came from over there and just crossed that way, and now you can see kind of how messy it is on this side. Now these buses and things like that. Okay, hope you like it. Yeah, we basically went. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things: like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. All right. Chiquinha, chiquinha.